This is what we got here today. A Lumen LED 360 bulb. I ain't gonna tell you what color it is yet, but it's a fog light, and I think I really like it already. Let me show you before. There goes your before. I'm about to switch that out right quick. Let me cut the car off. I already got started. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is, first you get you a flathead. They say you're supposed to take the wheel off, but honestly, I just turned it, my wheel all the way, and this is enough. So you want to take a flathead. I'm gonna show you on the other side more, but you want to take a flathead, pop that out, and pop these out. You know, be gentle with them. And there it is, right there. Set this camera. Go switch that out right quick. Should be pretty simple. Let's twist that one out. Let me show you. Pulled it out. Just gotta get the clip off. That red clip. We'll stick the flathead in there. Push the red part down, and it should just come off now. Probably gotta pop this up too. There we go. Got it out. Look at Paris. There you go. You see the difference. That one just looks better. Go ahead and plop it in. This is real simple. You just put it back in and twist it back. And there you go. There you go. And right back. I gotta put these in gently. I mean, it's pretty simple. Take your time. Make sure everything lines up. Make sure everything lines up. And then this one, the way you put this in is you let that side go in first and then you push that in. So like that. push that in. Everything's sealed. I'll hop over to the other side. Alright, now we over here on the other side. I'll show you how to take this off. This, you just want to basically do it the opposite. You want to pop this off first. Pull that part out first. And then separate them like that. And just pull it out. And with these things, I kind of just pried these out. Slid them back in, then try not to mess them up. If they get a little tough, you can just put a little, whatever you got, pliers, you know, something to get you a grip. Oh no, this one's gonna break. That one was tough. Got that one out. The rest of them might be a little bit simpler. Yeah, see, that's how the rest of them have been. But you could also, this is also just cheap plastic. You could buy these and get more. It don't even matter. You could break them if you want. I'm not breaking mine. Usually easy. That bottom one was hard. Just reach in there, twist it. Get it out, get your clip off. All right, there we go. Out with the old. In with the new. Alright, I got the bulb in there. Now you just put this back on the same way you took it off. I forgot the top one. Hold up now, you want to do this right. Hold up now, you want to do this right. There we go. Boom. Alright, time to show you if everything worked right. Shit. So we got here. Got the fog lights on. Yeah, I didn't want to show y'all yet. I wanted to see it first. But here you go. Of course, they are blue. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up, but they are definitely blue. Oh yeah, there we go. Finished product. I'm including a little clip of it at night once the sun go down, so you can really see it. This is how it turned out to look at night. It's definitely a nice look. That's a premium blue. Oh yeah. And I also got the door lights. Yes sir. Premium. Stay tuned, more coming soon. Yes sir.